Hello students, today we are going to start new topic, that is topic number 15, a memorable ceremony. Memorable means what? Unforgettable, special. And ceremony means what? Event or public occasion. One special public occasion it was there, and which it was, that we are going to see in this topic. One memorable ceremony which took place in Shivaji's life, which is that we'll see now. First point, why did Shivaji have himself crowned? Now crown means what? Give honor. Means Shivaji Maharaj has given himself honor of king. Why? This we are going to see in this point. Shivaji took oath of Swarajya in the temple of Raireshwar. He had to face numerous difficulties and calamities in his efforts to win Swarajya for his people. Calamities means what here? Terrible event. And numerous means many. Means Shivaji Maharaj has to face many difficulties and terrible events, means calamities, he has to face in the effort to win the Swarajya. And he has won this Swarajya for whom? For his people. But with great courage and skill, Shivaji overcame to all. Shivaji Maharaj, he was having a great courage, and also he is having a great skill. Skill means in that horse riding, using danpatta, afterwards using sword, like this skill he was having, and through that he won his Swarajya. Swarajya had stepped out of its childhood and was growing fast. Means the foundation, the base for Swarajya which was needed, that it was done. That only it is told Swarajya had stepped out of its childhood and now base is done. So Swarajya was growing fast. Swarajya was growing fast means what now here? Shivaji has established Swarajya. One by one he captured fort from the enemies and he established Swarajya. Now he is going to himself crown as a king. So it was told Swarajya was growing fast. Men like Baji Prabhu, Murarbaji, Tanaji nursed it with their blood. Nursed means what here? Look after. Means men like Baji Prabhu, Murarbaji, Tanaji, they look after the Swarajya with their blood. Means they have given their life, their blood flow on the battlefield. The new kingdom was both respected and feared. New kingdom means Swarajya which was established by Shivaji Maharaj. It was both respected, means for everyone there was respect, and feared means those are doing wrong. For them they were having fear in their mind because Shivaji punish. For good person Shivaji give respect, but those are doing wrong, for them Shivaji punish. With a view to having this kingdom recognized by all other princes in the land, big and small, Shivaji decided to have himself crowned. Here recognized means known, means the kingdom is Swarajya which is established by Shivaji. It should be known by all the other princes. Maybe in the big land or small, the princes are, they should come to know that Swarajya has established. To come to know that Shivaji Maharaj has himself crowned. After hundreds of years, a king was born in Maharashtra who treated all religions equally and give justice and happiness to his subjects. Means 100 years before of Shivaji's birth, there was not a king like Shivaji. Means Shivaji was a good person which was born in Maharashtra and who treat all religions. Now religions means what? Dharma, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh. For all these religion, Shivaji used to give equal treatment and give justice. Justice means what? Good treatment Shivaji used to give, and happiness to his subjects. Means he make his subjects, means people, happy. He doesn't trouble the peoples. Shivaji decided to have himself crowned so that everyone would come to know that Swarajya had been firmly established. See why Shivaji has decided to himself crown? See, because that everyone come to know, means every people whoever living here, they should come to know that Swarajya had been firmly established. For that reason he has himself crowned. He did not did do it for the self glorification or personal happiness. Self glorification means self admire, self respect. Now Shivaji has himself crowned. He has crowned for not for self glorification or personal happiness. Means for people he has crowned himself. Look after the people. He has himself became king. He did it to give the newly founded Swarajya firm footing. Means he has crowned himself for other reason what? To give the newly founded Swarajya. Means Swarajya was newly founded now. For that firm footing, footing means support. To give the support or help for that Swarajya. For that reason he himself crowned. Next point we are going to see, that is the capital of Swarajya. Here capital means the most important city. Which is the capital of Swarajya, that we are going to see now. Shivaji selected Raigad as the capital of his kingdom. Here kingdom is territory. Means which territory it was belonged to Shivaji Maharaj. That territory's capital it was Raigad. Raigad was a strong hill fort from where it was easy to administer the kingdom and keep watch on the enemy. Some forts are on ground but some forts are on hill. That forts are called hill fort. Now, Raigad was on hill, so it is called hill fort, and this was a strong hill fort, and from there it was easy to administer, means work, to do work of the kingdom and keep watch on the enemy. Shivaji Raja inspected his troops at Chiplun. Here inspected means look at something closely, means to look after something closely. Shivaji Maharaj has sent his troops at Chiplun. He visited Pratapgarh and took darshan of goddess Bhavani. On the Pratapgarh fort, there is a temple of goddess Bhavani. That goddess Bhavani darshan Shivaji Maharaj took. In the grateful means thankful memory, he presented to the temple a golden canopy for the goddess. Canopy means what here? Umbrella means a golden umbrella. A golden canopy was presented by Shivaji to goddess Bhavani. Next point we are going to see, that is the preparation for the coronation. Now coronation means what? See, a ceremony at which a person is made king. Now here the coronation of Shivaji Maharaj, means Shivaji Maharaj is going to become a king. That ceremony, it is that. Of that ceremony's preparation we are going to see now. Then Shivaji Raje ordered a golden throne to be made and had it studded with a precious stones. Shivaji Raje had ordered a golden throne. A throne means what here? Ceremonial chair, Singhasan we say, which is used for king. For that Shivaji Maharaj's order, and for that chair, the chair was studded. Studded means decorated with precious stones. Valuable stones are there. Na? With that this chair was decorated. He put a white royal umbrella over the throne. Means over the throne, white royal means big, large umbrella it was put. Invitation to the coronation were sent out to the princes and kings, learnt Brahmins and all the Sardars under his command and other officers. Means many peoples were invited for this coronation. Peoples like princes, king, learned Brahmins, some Sardars, officers, they were called for this coronation. Gaga Bhatt came from Varanasi to act as the chief priest. Priest means what? Pujari. At the ceremony means to perform the ceremony. Which priest was called? Gaga Bhatt. He was from Varanasi. Gaga Bhatt originally belonged to Paitan, but he had settled down in Varanasi. Means native place of Gaga Bhatt it was Paitan, but he has settled. Means he was living now in the Varanasi. He was a great and renowned scholar respected in Varanasi. Renowned means what? Well known. Means he was a well known scholar, respected person in the Varanasi. Shivaji Maharaj made detailed preparations for the coronation. Men were sent out to bring waters of the 7 rivers and the sea. His preparation, what Shivaji Maharaj has done. See, he sent men to bring the water of 7 rivers and water of the sea. Nearly 50,000 people gathered at Raigad. Small tent, big tents, spacious shamianas means tent to accommodate the guest could be seen everywhere. Accommodate means provide lodging or space. For this coronation, some guests they are going to come. For them, Shivaji Maharaj had kept ready small tents, big tents, spacious shamiyanas. Spacious means what here? Big shamiyanas. Shamiyanas were kept ready for the guest. Today's EVS to homework. How much part today I have taught you that you have to read. Thank you.